Hey folks, I picked up some of these purple LED lights for really cheap today, just $1.99, and I thought, well, they're designed for a kind of Christmas, but I thought these could be useful for modding. You know, they run off 3 AA batteries, so that's 4.5 volts. So there's a little battery box here, and it's just wired in with a resistor to these LEDs. I think 20 LEDs, I think. About 2.3 meters in length, and I figured, well, we could probably do a computer power supply. I've done something similar before with a slot car racing set, and we could probably use this as a strip of LED lights to go into a project. So although they're purple, not white, I thought they might look good in here. So in our gaming case mod, so we'll give it a go. I mean, I guess at this price, if it works, we can always go and buy another set, whatever colour we want. I think they came in white or blue or red or multicoloured or something like that. So we're just going to have a look through the parts box and see if we can find some bits and bobs to enable us to connect this up to a computer power supply. Okay, so I think we've got some contenders here. We have a male Molex here, which just has 2 cables coming out of it. That's all we need. They're not connected right at the moment. We need one to go to the 5 volts, one to go to the earth. At the moment we've got them connected to the 5 and the 12 there. Obviously I had this set up as a 7 volt mod connector or something. Just in case I need them, I've got some spare bits of wire with the male connectors on, and I've got another one here. So just a few little bits I found in my box. I think between those we should be able to come up with something that'll work. Well, here we go, it works. There's our power supply, and here's our little contraption. We've just got the positive going to this connection here, and the earth going to this connection here. This is just temporary. We probably need to solder something on there and make it a bit more permanent, but it does work. We can switch the lights off there. Back on again there. So yeah, and if we can just find some way of temporarily permanently attaching this, maybe cut another hole in the side of this so that we can route the wires through properly, then I think we have got a strip of LED lights suitable for use in any case. Well, we've completed the job, and I've just popped them in my spare computer, and I've just roughly laid the lights out around the edges, and they're actually quite effective. Not bad for $1.99. The box is just on the bottom of the case at the moment. I might actually use them in this computer, to be honest. I think it's a good way of getting some ambient light in there. So I think what we'll do is I'll just permanently attach the box somewhere, and then look at a better way of mounting the actual lights themselves. As you can see, you know, you can kind of poke them wherever you want things lit up, so you've got a bit of flexibility. Not bad at all. Quite impressed with those. A very cheap way of getting LED lighting into your case, and it's, you know, this time of year, lots of Christmas lights out there. So keep an eye out for this type of thing, and get yourself a cheap mod.